Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. In a lot of divorces, the parties end up staying together even during the divorce. And there's all sorts of challenges that come about as a result of that. And sometimes the parties weather those challenges and it goes for 6 months or 8 months or 12 months, however long the divorce takes. And then at the end, there's a departure. There's an exit strategy. Somebody stays and somebody goes, or perhaps they both go and the marital home is sold and the profits equitably divided according to the court order. Every now and then, though, somebody actually departs the marital home, either right before the divorce or perhaps right as the divorce is ramping up. And the question is, are there precautions to be taken with respect to your personal property when you leave the marital home? Well, obviously, if a person leaves the marital home by bringing a big moving van and taking everything with them, there's less of a worry. If they take half of the everything and they take all their personal stuff, again, you've accounted for a lot of things. But if you're like many people who aren't positioned to make a full move like that, you're basically getting your own personal belongings and you're leaving, remember that you're leaving behind a lot of valuable items. Valuable not only in the sense of the monetary worth, but in terms of all the time spent collecting those things. I mean, if you're going to go into an empty apartment and you're going to start to furnish it, you're talking about sets of dishes and towels. You're talking about linens. You're talking about TV sets and chairs and couches and dining room set. You got to have a place to eat. This costs a lot of money, takes a lot of time to put all that stuff together. What I'm getting at is half the stuff in the marital home is going to be yours. The worst thing to do is leave it all and then not really be able to account for it. So then later on, 8 months down the road, when your ex says, there's nothing there, or, oh no, we never had an extra set of dishes, we never had those things, they belong to my sister, I gave them back. You're going to need a record of that. You're never going to remember every little thing many, many months down the road because of the stress of the divorce and other things that are on your mind. So if you're going to depart, before you do so, you need to inventory the significant things in the house. What do you inventory? Well, if it's significant enough for you to complain about it down the road, you better inventory it. And what's the best way to inventory? What we're doing right now. Take a video. Go through the house and say, okay, here it is. This is November 1st, 2024. I'm panning the living room. That's my chair. That's the TV. This is our couch. And here's everything in the curio cabinet, everything in my armoire, and everything that's closed. You open it up and you take video, and this is documentation. As of that day, this is what's in the house. And that way, 6 months later, when you come to see what's left and everything's gone, you'll be able to hold the other side accountable. That's something that you should really consider when you're moving out of the marital home. Now, if you have any particular questions about your case, of course, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.